Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be featuring more of what I'm doing. For example, I'm going to share with you how I'm helping to raise my 2 grandchildren that I live with. I'm going to share hydroponic gardening with you. I'm going to share with you some exciting traveling I'll be doing. Things I'm going to be doing to improve my health. I'm going to share my houseplant jungle in my bedroom. You guys know I'm going to be back out there doing my container gardening. It's the spring of the year. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Hey everybody, I am on my way to the doctor. Eye specialist. Not having any problems. It's just one of the checkups that I have to do. And everybody should have an eye specialist examine your eyes at least once a year if you have hypertension, high blood pressure, kidney disease, diabetes. There are a lot of other things, health conditions, the health concerns that you need to keep a check on your eyes, because a lot of people with those conditions will go blind if the condition is not caught in time. So I stay on top of it. I told you in my comeback video that I was going to be sharing more I do to improve my health, and that also includes keeping abreast of all of the exams and treatment or anything that I may have to have. So this is the first time I'm using this tripod on my windshield or on my dash. So I hope it's coming out pretty clear. You know me. I'm an amateur at this, but I just make videos. I don't do it for the money. I started making videos in 2015. I didn't even know anything about monetization or being paid. I didn't find out about that until COVID first hit. And I had a lot of time on my hands because I couldn't get out in the streets and shop and do all the other things that I like to do. So I just started making a lot of videos. So this is not about money. I will be making videos probably once a week, or if I do something interesting, I'll share it with you. But very quickly, let me just say that I'm gonna have this eye exam, and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna take some video of my room, because I've gotten emails about people wanted to see the room, and I did promise you that I was going to show you the room in a video. So that's what I'll be doing today, and I'll get that video uploaded to YouTube very soon. Okay, so let's get started. So I had one of the first appointments. It was 9 o'clock, and they put a little decorations up, and it was kind of cute, so I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, I just finished my eye exam. I got good news. Can't find any evidence of glaucoma. My peripheral vision is good. What they're concerned about is the optic nerve when you have kidney disease. You have to be careful, guys. So I don't have to come back, thank goodness, until another year. Okay, I'm out. Yesterday, I sold some dwarf size Siberian kale into these baskets and sponges in this whole system. And as you can see, they are beginning to germinate, but I'm going to put the domes back on and remove them when I see a little green tomorrow. Also in that video, I told you that spinach seeds germinate slower, but look at here, guys. Here's another one, another basket where the seeds sowed yesterday germinated in one day. I'm going to leave that top off, so you just never know. And that's stevia. Okay, I just want to share that with you. Sometimes the seeds will fool you because they germinate faster in water. Okay, guys, it's the same day. It's just nighttime, and I'm getting ready to turn off all of my hydroponic systems. And I just want to show you that just in a few hours, those dwarf Siberian kale all germinated and turned green.
So I'm going to remove the domes off of them. They will now begin to harden off a little bit and start reaching for the light and grow very, very fast.
Everybody, it's Bria, and I want to welcome you to my grandmother's room.
Thanks, Bria. Okay, guys. This is my room. I'm going to show you the clutter part first. That's my air purifier. And this is where I keep all of my little things I heat up in my microwave or cook. And I'm going to pan around. Those are the peppermint treats that I give Brian and Bria when we go to church. And that's my refrigerator. And that's a picture of the closest person to my heart. And that's my late mommy and me when I was 38. I think she was about 63, something like that. And here are my house plants. And over there is a snow cone maker that I purchased to make treats for my grand angels when they come and visit. And right here is a humidifier. I have 2 of them to keep your houseplants moist because most of them are tropical. And I have a little record player that I love to play Marvin Gaye and a lot of old records the way they were originally recorded. Go ahead.
I like to listen to the old records that my grandmother plays.
On my what? A record player there. Okay. And again, I'm panning around so you can see the room. And here is my bed. Now this wall of cabinets allowed me to bring a lot of things over from my home. For example, I have my pressure cannings stuff in there, candle making stuff, all the things that I use to make my hair and skincare products. They are really, really heavy. I purchased them at Lowe's, and I had Angie's List people to come out and install them for me. And I also purchased, let me see, I also purchased that little cabinet right there, and then the one over here. The only 2 pieces of furniture that I brought with me from my home is this dresser right here and this TV stand here. But everything else I gave away. And those are my plants that get a lot of sun. Bria, you want to go over there and turn those lights out because the sun is coming in.
Yep.
So I only use them to supplement the light when I need to. As you can see, she turned them off. The couple that purchased my home brought me this gift, a painting of Paris and the Eiffel Tower to the closing. And I thought that was really sweet because they asked me, well, Miss Cheryl, what are you going to do with the money? I said, I'm going to make sure that my kids and grandkids are set, and I will take my only sister to Paris. And so I thought that was really nice. They remembered what I said, and they brought that. And I had a little setback with my health, and so we haven't been able to go yet. And then my sister said, well, I don't want to go to Paris. Let's go to Hawaii. So we're doing that in June. But we will get to Paris soon. I have a lot of fairy lights. It looks really pretty at night. I'm going to share it with you later on in the video. Here are my hydroponic systems. Everything is easily accessible. And more plants. And then we have those emergency lanterns up there in case there's a power failure. I think I didn't show you my lucky bamboo. What do you want them to see, Bria?
Butterfly.
Oh, okay. Bria liked those. And I bought them because she loves butterflies like me. As you can see, I have plenty of them. And sometimes I sit here in my massage chair and put my feet up. And as I said, you can tell we got a garden theme in here. A lot of butterflies. We have hummingbirds, bees, ladybugs. We love it.
I hardly ever watch TV. You can see me in the TV there. And I'm going to show you my mantra that I say every day. Be still and know that I am God. I believe in amazing grace, that there's power in the blood, that he walks with me and talks with me. That's because he lives. I can face tomorrow, all because of the old rugged cross. And this is what I have to remind myself of, especially around this time of year. Those we love don't go away. They fly beside us every day. And I tell you, I talk to my loved ones. This is going to be my sewing corner right in here. Well, I'm going to be putting thread and all that. Just haven't gotten around to do it. Here's an ice maker, so I never run out of ice. Teapot. I showed you the refrigerator. I'm going to go back over here and show you that this is where I have my microwave. Anything else, Bria, I need to show them?
I don't think so.
Okay, hope I'm not going too fast. This is a humidifier. I leave this one on all the time. It's like my nightlight. The bathroom is right behind this wall here. Before I put this peace lily here, I had put some signs up. When my kids come into my room, my adult children. Yes, I really do need all of these plants. I love it. I love it. And the garden is where I go to lose my mind and find my soul. Okay, so that's about it. This heartleaf philodendron is so long that I've had to start wrapping it around here to make sure that it's getting some light. So I'm going to be propagating this in the spring. This was a little plant that I picked up at our local nursery called Callaway's. And I mean, it's just growing like crazy. Actually, all of my plants. And one day I'll do a video on just the plants. Okay.
Hello, it's Bria.
She asked me to make a little video to show you all our fairy lights over my cabinets and my new arrangement of my plants. So I'm going to show you these and how they go all the way around, mostly around my room. I still got an area right in there and in here to do. My son, Andre Moss, is supposed to finish it for me. I can't get over my bed. But anyway, very quickly, Bria is going to show you what I did with a shower rack. Okay, you want to turn the big circle light on? Mm-hmm. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, that LED light that's in front of the humidifier is providing light for that bare space I used to have right there. Now, Bria, you want to turn on the two, we call them flying saucer lights, so you all can get a better view. And Bria, would you point to the shower pole that I installed yesterday? That's from the ceiling. It goes all the way. Move back a little bit, sweetie. It moves all the way to the bottom there. And there's a water bottle, a San Pellegrino water bottle that fell. If you'll pick that up and put it up there. Yeah. And so we're, yeah, she's showing you guys that is a shower rack or caddy. And I used it to display plants, some of my rare plants. Okay. On the third shelf from the top and show them those pretty red flowers. Hurry up. Right there. Just take it out, lift it up, or turn it where they can see it and move out the way. Quickly, quickly, Bria. Okay. Bria, you don't have to take it all the way out. Bria, you don't have to take it all the way out. I'll zoom in on it so they can see those pretty leaves and flowers. And then, I can't think of the name of that plant. I forgot. Yes. Alocasia, I believe. And right here, this plant I named Bria as a pink princess philodendron. So anyway, yeah, I'm always trying to find ways where I can display more of my babies and not have them so bunched up and so crowded. Let me pan around here. You want to turn on a light over here, Bria? You can hit the big circular light very quickly, right there. There we go. So now we're giving more space so the plants can breathe and be misted with the humidifier.
This little crystal ball that rotates is a humidifier. It doesn't put out a lot of moisture like the other humidifiers that I have, but I like it. I use it at night. When the sun goes down, I turn all the lights off and I just have this in my room as a night light. And I also like this disco ball humidifier because, as I said, it rotates and it changes colors. So I really like it. And my grandchildren like it too. It's the perfect time of day. Let the sun shine in. Let the sun shine in. The sun shine in. I love this time of day. It's about noon when the sun is fully coming in the window. I don't have to have the grow lights on. As you can see up there, they're turned off. And right over there, it's turned off. And the sun comes in and beautifully lights up the room. I want to show you some of my fairy lights, but automatically the light on the camera comes on. It looks really beautiful at nighttime when you don't see the light. But I'm going to pan around the room again. Well, this concludes this video. I appreciate you all taking time to watch my video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Take care, everybody. Bye now.